If you hear somebody trying to sell you a trade line and telling you that it's going to boost your credit scores a lot, run far away. This is why. Sturgis Credit Repair is a 5-star rated online credit repair company. We help people just like you build or rebuild their credit scores. If you have no credit history, we offer products to help you build credit history so that you never have to depend on anyone co-signing for you. If you have bad credit, enroll into our service today and allow us to work on the negative items affecting your credit scores. We take no money up front, so start our service today for free. You'll get updated through your online account as well as receiving updates through your email. For those who are trying to buy a home, we're partnered with multiple real estate agents and loan officers who are ready to assist you with your goals. If you are a real estate agent, loan officer, or anyone dependent on customers with good credit, create a free partner account with us today. You can manually send or receive clients through your online account as well as track their progress before they go to someone else. Visit our website to learn more about our services. A few episodes ago, I was talking about why the credit repair industry is so hated. And I was explaining how there's just so much misunderstanding about the credit repair industry. A lot of people thinking it's like debt consolidation, or they think it's some type of online scam, or they think it's some type of illegal, police report business or something like that. One of the things that also gives credit repair, the credit repair industry a red flag is the trade line services. So if you ever heard the term trade line, a trade line is something that reports to your credit that doesn't belong to you, and it only reports temporarily. You pay a lot of money for this. I've seen some trade lines sell for $1,500 or $800, $1,000, $2,000. So I'm going to break it down. So you take somebody, or let's just back up. The people who are selling trade lines are focusing on people with bad credit. They tell these people that they can buy one trade line and it's going to fix their credit. So that's also why the credit repair industry has a bad name, because credit repair falls under fixing bad credit. And when people hear credit repair, they also think of these crazy, services or scams that's out there in the world. So it's not a scam. It's definitely a real thing that happens out there in the world. People buy trade lines every single day thinking it's going to help their financial life. But here's the thing. You take somebody with bad credit. Let's say they have 0 positive accounts and they have 10 accounts with late payments and collections on their credit report. Do you think one positive account is going to make a difference in their credit score? It is not. It may change their credit score 10 points, if that. Now, you take somebody with 0 credit, no bad accounts, no good accounts, and you put one strong account on there temporarily. Yes, it's definitely going to increase their credit score from a 0 to maybe a 600 or something like that. But guess what? That account will not be enough to, get somebody some established credit. So you take that person, they can go out and buy a $100,000 trade line that's reported a $100,000 credit card, paid on time every single month. It's the only thing on their credit. You can take that person to a mortgage company today, and that one account may not be enough to get this person approved because they don't have enough credit history. They just have one account to judge their payment history on. So, trade lines are pretty much revolving accounts or installment accounts that literally reports to your credit for 90 days or 60 days or 30 days. I've seen all. So here's the thing. You buy something, you go out and apply for a mortgage loan. It may take a month or 2 months for your loan to close. So that account can fall off of your credit before you close your mortgage loan. Scenario number 2, let's say you're buying a car and your trade line is reporting that day you buy this car. Well, now you're going to go from buying a car and now you got bad credit again. What happens if you wreck that car and, you just pay $1,000 for this trade line, your car note's $600 a month. You just made your first payment. Now you wreck your car. Now you got bad credit. You just spent $1,600, maybe $1,800 after insurance. How are you going to get your second car? You're going to pay another $1,000 trade line? So that's why I'm against trade lines, because I understand one account will not fix your credit score just because it's reporting temporarily and supposed to shoot your credit up 200 points or 300 points or 100 points. Whatever these people are advertising, I have seen so many false ads that's out there, and I can get why there can be such a misunderstanding in the credit repair industry, because these trade line companies, they're advertising, do you have late payments or collections on your credit report, or do you have bad credit? Buy one of our trade lines and we can increase your credit score 200 points today. You go out and buy one account and your score is going to move 10 or 20 points, maybe 15, if it even moves at all. You may have so much negative information reporting to your credit report that one good account will not make a difference. I have people right now with 6 and 7 positive accounts, and they have 20 negative accounts, and their scores are in the 300s and 400s. So buying one trade line will not make a difference in your financial life or your credit score. It just will not help you. But if you're just one person out there, you have 3 or 4 accounts, they're all in good standing, you have 0 negative accounts, so therefore you're trying to buy a trade line so you can get your own high limit credit card, and by all means, like I said, I'm not downing anyone's business. I'm just explaining, the truths behind some of these fake advertisement that some of these people out here are doing. So if you're somebody with good credit, you're just trying to get approved for a high limit credit card, you want to be based on having high limit credit history, then yes, a high limit trade line may help you get approved for that credit card. So all it is, you're just putting yourself as an authorized user on some random persons out there in the dark web who's selling their credit card information or a credit card account to just people for profit, pretty much. So like me, I have 5 credit cards that I don't use right now. If a company reach out to me and say, hey, we'll buy your account, every time somebody buy $1,000 trade line, we can use your account, add them to your credit card, and you get a commission. We'll contact you if somebody wants to buy a trade line. So it's easy and free money for the person who's doing it, because they can't spend their card. They can't, do anything like that. They're just adding on as an authorized user. So, if you're not somebody who's just trying to get a high limit credit card with perfect credit, then buying a trade line will not increase your credit score. It will not increase your buying chances if you have negative information or if you have 0 credit history at all. So that's my thought on it. You make your own decision out there. If you've heard of trade lines and you thought about buying one, you still want to buy one after this video and you have bad credit, that's on you. If you don't trust me, somebody that sees 1,000 credit reports a day. But that's all that's regarding trade lines, and I hope this episode helped anyone who's watching or listening out there. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.